guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and overview of the new Dell 27-inch ultra sharp 2K monitor. It has Microsoft Teams integrated within it. It has webcam, it has a speaker and also a microphone and few dedicated buttons for muting and play, pause, etc. So without further delay, let's check it out. Right guys, so here is the box. As you can see, pretty big for a 27-inch monitor, but it's really big. And this I got via Blue Dart. This is from my office NVIDIA, and this monitor comes as a work from home setup, so I had ordered it. So let's unbox it. I'll need my scissors. Give me a second. Yeah, that's here. Let's see how the packing is done. Blue Dart's packing is really the next level. All right. Here there are some tapes. Oh, there is a second layer actually. Let me remove this. It's pretty heavy monitor actually. All right. Let's see from where it opens up. Okay, I see there are some hands here. It's pretty heavy actually. There is no tape. There is some tape here. There is some tape here. Let's see. Pretty tight. There is some tape here too. There is some tape here. I'm not sure if it opens from here. Let's see if there are any other openings. Yeah, I think it opens from here. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, I think there is an opening here. Let's try from this side also. Literally one of the best packings I've ever seen, and I'm not able to figure it out from where to open it actually. This is the bottom portion possibly. So it should open from here only somewhere. Excuse me. I'm just ripping off all the creases. Not sure from where it will open. Oh. It says handle with care, fragile. How to open this, man? Let me try from this side. Okay, it opens from here. Great, finally. All right, let's put it like this, or let's put it like this. Let's rotate it. Okay, and moment of truth. Here it is. Let's keep it. It's not stopping. Anyway, let it be. Yeah, it's stopped. Cool. What all we get in the box is you get this. What is this? This is a power cable, I believe. Let's cut it. This is the power cable. I believe you can see it. Yep. Let's keep it aside. One more cable here, which is DP to DP. DP port to DP port. Good. Generally I saw HDMI to HDMI. Here I see DP to DP. There's another cable, type C to type C. Great. And what is this? I'm not sure what is this. This port, I'm not sure what this is called. And this is to USB. And this is the manual, I believe. Yeah, installation manual, how to install stand and all. So we'll look into this later. We have some instructions in Chinese, safety and regulations. Then, okay, it says, as you can see, it says 1 here, it says 2 there. Says open like this. Let's open this first. What is this? This is the, oh, there's the bottom panel, the stand basically. There is a screw, we need to attach this, so it's pretty heavy. Let's put this aside again. So possibly this is the first part. Second part, I'm not sure where is the second part. Let's see if there is anything here. Nope. Oh, there is something from here. Is there anything? No, there is nothing. There is nothing here. This is done, this is done, this is done. It's pretty heavy anyways. Okay, let's keep this aside. And here comes the main portion. This is the stand. Pretty nice, and this moves up and down, I believe. I'm not sure, maybe after fixing I can move it. There's the stand, and here comes the monitor. Okay, this opens like this too. Awesome. Nice. I believe you can see it. Okay, let me show it to you like this. This is the monitor. There's a speaker in, oh sorry, yeah, this is the monitor, bezel-less, speaker integrated, microphone and camera is here. It's built in. When you press it, it pops up. And this is pretty heavy. Again, there are a lot of pins here on the bottom. I hope you can see. Okay, let's keep this also aside. Let's see what all we get in the box. Pretty huge monitor. Doesn't look like a 27-inch one. I think nothing's there here, because there's just a safety, for safety purpose they keep all this stuff. Yep, nothing else, all clean. So that's all for this unboxing, guys. I'll attach the monitor and everything. Let me take the screen up a bit. Oh yeah, so I'll attach the monitor, the stand and everything, and I'll turn it on and I'll show it to you. Cheers. Right guys, here it is, finally up and ready. As you can see, there are dedicated buttons for Teams, Microsoft Teams, volume up down button, mute, attend the call, and Teams open app possibly. And let me show you the connections here. So here, see the stand goes up, and this is adjustable. It also rotates. And let's first see the camera. As you can see here, there is a cutout section. You just need to press it and it comes out. So this has a camera and a microphone, both integrated. You have to put it back. And there is the speaker, big full-fledged speaker. And let's see the ports now. So here to my laptop, I have connected HDMI and the charging port. And here are the two plugs, one for the charging and one for the monitor. So this is the power on off for monitor, and this is the HDMI to HDMI. So there are multiple ports here, as you can see. There is HDMI, there is DP, Type C, and USBs are also there on that side. And if you want to connect external headphones and all, there are some ports here as well. Let me just lift this up and show it to you. I hope it is visible. Yup. Yeah, so you have a Type C here, 3.5 headphone jack, and a USB to connect some headphones or to connect some wired devices. And that's it for this video guys. So this is the Dell 2K display. Let's go to the display and let me show it to you. Display settings. As you can see, the resolution is 2560 x 1440, the recommended resolution, and it looks really great. Bezelless, edge to edge. As you can see, really it's like very thin bezels, and you have a big speaker in the front, firing full length speaker. So the audio quality is also great. You know, the experience is really great. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in next week. Peace. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a great piece of software and hardware integrated together. The Microsoft Teams software is integrated, built into this monitor. Dedicated microphone, webcam and speaker, and it's a 2K monitor, bezel-less monitor. So great piece of hardware and software combined. And I'll be doing a detailed review. I'll be using this device as my daily driver now and from today onwards. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon to get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care guys.